Liberty Mutual customizes...
Wait, am I in one of those Liberty Mutual commercials where they stand in front of the Statue of Liberty and talk about how Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance so you only pay for what you need?
Yes.
Huh. What happens in this one?
Seagulls.
Oh, I like it. How are you doing?
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, liberty, liberty.
This is the emergency alert system. Civil authorities have issued an attack warning for your area until further notice. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected multiple nuclear missiles heading toward the United States from Russia. The projected areas are Los Angeles, San Francisco, Sacramento, Seattle, Anchorage, Honolulu, San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Tampa District of Columbia, Nashville, Raleigh, Richmond, New York City, Atlanta, Albuquerque, New Orleans, and San Diego. If you reside in the areas, seek immediate fallout shelter or hide in a designated building and gather essential supplies. Stay tuned to the station. This is the end of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will continue.
Doritos.
Doritos!
Yeah!
Attention, if you're receiving this emergency alert message, evacuate immediately. Nuclear missiles have been sent from Russia. You have 24 hours to evacuate before impact. Repeat, you have 24 hours to evacuate before impact. All residents are required to seek shelter in a designated area or shelter. Grab essential supplies, such as food, drinks, clothing, toiletries, and electronics. Gather loved ones. Evacuate with friends and family. This message will repeat every 30 minutes.
The Canadian government has issued an attack warning effective nationwide until further notice. Russia has launched multiple nuclear ballistic missiles toward Canada. This is not a drill. All residents in Canada should seek immediate shelter now.
Le gouvernement canadien a publié un avertissement d'attaque effectif à l'échelle nationale jusqu'à nouvel ordre. La Russie a lancé plusieurs missiles balistiques nucléaires vers le Canada. Ce n'est pas un exercice. Tous les résidents du Canada devraient chercher un abri immédiat maintenant.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Listen here, if this is the start of World War III, we must prepare, because that's when all hell breaks loose.
This is Code Red. We must stop these attacks. We've already seen the panic unfold in Los Angeles and New York City. We must tell the public about the bunkers.
This is the BBC. We interrupt all programming for an emergency announcement from the government of the United Kingdom. The Prime Minister has confirmed that the United States of America has been threatened with multiple nuclear warheads launched by the governments of China, Russia, and North Korea. Early warning systems indicate that several missiles are currently in flight. The situation is developing rapidly. The United Kingdom is monitoring events closely alongside NATO allies. At this time, there is no confirmed impact on British soil. However, elevated alert levels are now in effect across all military and civil defense agencies. British nationals currently in the United States are advised to follow all instructions issued by local authorities immediately. Further information will be broadcast as it becomes available. Stay tuned to the BBC for official updates. Do not rely on unverified sources.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House and the Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. The United States of America is now engaged in a state of declared war following coordinated military aggression against our nation and our allies. Multiple hostile actions have been confirmed overseas and against the United States military assets. At this time, there is no confirmation of successful strikes on the continental United States. However, national defense systems are fully activated. The President has addressed the nation and authorized full defensive mobilization of the United States Armed Forces. All branches of the military are now operating at maximum readiness. Strategic defense systems, including missile interception platforms and cyber defense operations, are fully engaged. To the American people, remain calm. This nation has faced war before. We have endured world wars, terror attacks, and moments that tested the very foundation of our republic. Each time, we stood together. Each time, we prevailed. America will not fall. America will not surrender. Any hostile force that threatens this nation will be met with the full strength, capability, and resolve of the United States. We will defend our homeland. We will defend our allies. We will protect our future. Civil authorities are not currently issuing evacuation orders. However, citizens are strongly encouraged to stay informed through official government sources. Avoid spreading unverified information. Conserve fuel, power, and essential supplies. Follow instructions from state and local officials. National Guard units have been deployed to secure key infrastructure. Airspace restrictions are now in effect nationwide. Continuity of government operations have been enacted to ensure stability and leadership remains intact under all circumstances. To those watching across the world, the United States does not seek destruction. We seek peace through strength. But make no mistake, aggression against this nation will not go unanswered. Our military is the most advanced in the world. Our alliances are strong. Our people are resilient. Tonight, the American flag still flies. Our Constitution still stands. Our nation and yours. We will use every lawful and necessary measure to defend the United States of America. This is a time for unity, not fear. Check on your neighbors. Be patient. Support first responders. Stand together as one nation. Further updates will follow as the situation develops. This message will repeat.
This is the final transmission of Canada. The Canadian government has collapsed and all law enforcement and medical services have failed. If you're hearing this, thank you for being part of the Canadian dream. You have 6 hours left to seek fallout shelter. After this transmission, there will be no more further assistance.
Receiving this message. Seek immediate shelter now. Nuclear missiles are about to hit the United States. Repeat, nuclear missiles are about to hit the United States. This is the final transmission. Thank you for being part of the American dream.